Good morning, our beloved students. Today, let us discuss about Unit 2 Mystery, and in its continuation, we shall study about the Aurora Borealis, that is Northern Lights. This is also one of the mysteries we, the people of the world, today know and hear at times. Aurora Borealis are the northern lights, which is a mystery because it has many reasons why it is called northern lights or Aurora Borealis. It has many surprising, amazing, and mysterious facts. I would like to let you know why it is known as Aurora Borealis, and it is also known as the Northern Lights. It has many reasons, and let me give you some facts about these Northern Lights. These lights, the Northern Lights, are at the height of 40 to 250 miles above the Earth's surface. 40 to 250 miles above the Earth's surface. पृथ्वी की लैमाइदगी मकोइना लैरिबा अरापसे अवांगबसे मसिगिसी माइल 40 दगिना 250 सिफावबदा लै हाइबा अदुगा मसिदैदगी थोरैबा मंगानगी पार्टिकल सिंग असे मसिगी स्पीड ना मंगानगी पार्टिकल सिंग असिगी स्पीड से मसिगिसी 1.8 million miles per hour ने 1.8 million miles and have million miles per hour ने याम यांगी को it is very high aduna masigi particle sing asigi speed asi gi akoina 1.8 million miles per hour ne haire aduga masigi density se masigi sina density asina 16 into 10 power 6 एकोगी centric feet ने centric feet cubic feet ने सिगिसिनी मागी कनो से density से अदुगा एकोगी पृथ्वी की लैमाई असिगा नुमित का लापनरिबा से मसिगिसिना नुमित का आर्ट का अनिगी मरक लापनरिबा डिस्टेंस तो पृथ्वी की लैमाई असिगा नुमित का लापनरिबा अनिगी डिस्टेंस असिना 93 million miles ने 93 million miles ने अदुगा time taken by the light particles. Then have time taken by the light particles to reach the surface of the earth and have is 4 days ne numit ki thora iba mangan ki particle sing asina prithvi ki leimai se Europe ko matam da numit mari ni jang ya 24 into 4 hours sigisi sangi bane aduga sigisi da ikoina khangjin gadoba amana Aurora na hariba asigi meaning se kam haina lakhibano hai taragadi aikoina numit taba nongan ba ayuk oiba haitana lairiba down se ayuk angan bagi matam se masigi si kanana thogan banon haibada aikoi ki lai amakhangna thogal bani an haib numit se lai amana thogal libani numit ayuk angan bagi sida numit thogan bagi lai se masigi se Roman singna moi ki goddess amani haidana Roman goddess ki ayuk angan bagi lai ama Roman goddess to adugi duda piba maming ne name given to the Roman goddess of down ayuk angan bagi Roman ki goddess to adugi duda piba mingthon amaneba sigi Aurora na hairise yare ko aduga masigi arthasina si leire aduga Borealis and have Borealis and haibagi arthasina the north and haibane yareko as I have written here on this board the height of the lairiba mangan se of the light above the surface of this earth is 200 to 250 miles just above the earth surface sigsima khangasi aduga mangan ki particle sing aduna numit ki mai numit tagi lakpa prithvi se Europa adugi dudana ekhoi magi chaliba speed se kaya no hai taragadi 1.8 million miles per hour masigi se magi speed ta magi khongjen do adug dugda lakpani aduga mangan ki particle amagi magi density aduna 16 into 10 to the power 6 centric feet and haibasina mangan ki particle amagi magi density ni aduga prithvi ga adagi numit ka ani ki marakta lairiba arapa adugi duna 93 million miles ni and haiba adagi amaka prithvi ki laimai asida adugumba particle aduna Europe matamda changiba matamse 4 days ne hariba 4 days si simlaire aduga sigisida sizinariba ikoina hujik nainagadoriba Aurora Borealis and haibase masigisida Aurora na haiba sigi mingasina kanana kamaina thonbano ai taragadi Roman masa singna makoigi ayuk angan bagi lairembi ai koigi goddess adugi duda piba maming dubo Aurora haina thonbane aduga Borealis and haibasina ikoigi English ki marondana awang thangba saruk awang north anana haibisine si khangaba matung sida ngasi aikoina masigi Aurora Borealis and haibise masigi matang do kitang nai na tani yengsi. Aikoina hojik nai na kato ribawari se ahan bada general oiba nature asina aikoigi taibang pan asida piramiba aduga atopa taibang pan prithvi malem leimai sida natana atopa mapam hibanda askai da leikriba mayam asigi pochei leikriba lengliba paliba areng lengda punamaki matang do kitang hana nai na kato rimni adagi matang do ai kitang paraketaro nature is surrounded with mystery. Aikoigi prakriti lairembi na semamiba piramiba pot punamagase yengu bada angak pangagtani yen haibo. Look at our solar system. Aikoigi solar system sida yengasi solar system hairagadi nohoi class 7 8 so dum tamkre khangeko numit amasung magi khongloi magi khongbu adugi dubu aikoina solar system ana haibani samna aduga when you think of the reality and the illusion it creates our mind cannot but be filled with surprise masida lairiba numit thana satliba magi arepa khongsat amomom da satliba karigumba matamdana surya grohan thokpa karigumba matamdana chandra grohan thokpa ayamba matamdana magi satliba lambi orbit to adagiduda adum lengtana satpa adagi amuka ingtham kalen khairiba ahing nongthin khairiba adagi aikoigi ising ikang thokhaliba adagi amaka ising ichau thokhaliba punamak ase nature gi khusin thorang dagi thorokpa ngактani an haibase khan tharuba yenguba matamda aikoida angakpagi angakpa ngakta oihalli an haibane aduna the earth is round but looks flat prithvi si taseng na hairagadi round oiba posak ni an hairi aduga aikoina sum yengba matamdadi ipak na laiba potki mong dona ui na haire aduga planets and the other heavenly bodies are stars making the night sky a vast illusion but so very beautiful aduga aikoigi numidangi matamda tha thoiba thawar michak thoiba mayam sing asina aikoi yengba matamdadi yamna aikoigi atya se apak pa asouba aikoigi illusion oibagi mong amada aikoi uhalli aduga madu phajana yenga kandana yamna phajaba thawan michak singna tagup tarenganba adugi phifam dudasu amaka lakhalle aduga the earth is a vast magnet making life possible on it and have yamna aikoigi apikpa khajik khaktagi wanate prithvi gi leimai ase prithvi ase yamna pak chawi aduga masigi sida aikoigi jiba panba punamak ase loina leiba ngami an hai green planet dan hairiba planet mayam ama leiriba sing nipan mapan leiriba sing asigi manungdagi hojik phawbada koi mioibana thijin humjinba matamda thawai panba jiba panba sing asina nungaina leiba yaba mafam se aikoigi art ariba planet si khaktane adugido punamagado nature na haidi jagat ki mapuna creator aduna master of the universe adugiduna aikoi sembiba ohenbiba ngaktane have aduna masigi wari ase aikoi mioibana khan thaba ngambagi lawsing gyan lakpadagi na hojik phawbada nainaba sida angakpagi angakpa ngakta leiri aduga lei haina di khangba aduga aikoina tasengna masi karam haini oibano kamdauna masigi phibam sida leiri bano haibadugi chap chaba reality do madugi fake do adugi didi khangdaba angakpasi mayam ama leiri adu laisu leikigani prithvi sina loisin gani na haibai sina achumba oiraga loisilakpa taragasu mioibagi wakal lawsingna sum hengalakpa taragasu research wakta natraga na awangba thakta wakal lawsingse puthona rakpa taragasu khangba ngamdaba magi chapchaba maram mayam sing adu sine na haiba akakna na takpa ngamba ana haibadudi malem sina loisilakpa matam adudasu oithokidaba yai haiba a portion there is some other folklore and the legends go like the following. I think you must have learned about those important points that I have given you in our last classes. The Point Barrow Eskimos consider the aurora as an evil thing. In the past, they used to carry knives to protect themselves from it. Such kind of people, that is Eskimos, were very afraid of this kind of light. They were afraid in such a manner that they used to carry knives that they can defend themselves from such kind of attack by such kind of light. The Fox Indians who live in Wisconsin in North America regarded the light as an omen of war and pestilence. War and the pestilence, that is very hardship, very difficult, and very fearful things. Such kind of things are indicated by such kind of lights, that is Aurora Borealis and the northern lights. Such kind of people, that is the Fox Indians who are in North America, regarded this light as an example, as an indication of war and the pestilences. War, as you know, fight between or among different nations and countries. And the pestilence means dreadful, fearful, severe diseases. They believe the lights were the ghosts of their slain enemies, who, restless for revenge, tried to raise up again. They believed that they had killed, they slain many their enemies, and their souls have gone in the heaven. And those slain souls or their enemies want to revenge them, and their spirits, their souls are coming towards them to take revenge upon them. They thought like this. Then most Eskimos groups believe that the northern lights are the spirits of the dead playing ball with a walrus and or human skull. The Eskimos, those Eskimos who live in the poles, North Poles, that is known as, those are known as Eskimos. These Eskimos believe that the northern lights are the souls, are the spirits of the dead people, dead persons who are playing balls with the walrus. A kind of sea animal. And human skull. That is the bone of our head whole as a whole is known as skull. Such kind of skulls and the bodies of walrus are taken as their ball, and they were playing such kind of balls. And when they kick the ball and when they play the ball, such kind of lights are emitted and approaching towards them. Such kind of thoughts were there in the minds of the Eskimos. They believe in such a manner. The Eskimos, the East Greenland Eskimos believe that the northern lights were the spirits of children who died at birth. At birth, dancing of the children round and round caused the continually moving streams and the draperies of the aurora. And some Eskimos are also there in the northern, in the Greenland. Greenland, as you know, it is a country, a land. And in this land, some Eskimos are there. They believe that these lights are coming as the spirits of the children who died at birth. Just when they are born to their mothers, and they died. They died and went to the heaven, in the heaven. And the children are playing round and round. They play in such a manner that they have no any kind of formula or any rule and regulations. They are playing at random. And such kind of playings, such kind of dancings, many kind of streams and the draperies of the aurora, the light, are coming towards them. This is the belief of the Greenland Eskimos. After this, according to Algonquin myth, Nana Bozo is the creator of earth. We all believe that the earth is created by the Almighty God. But such kind of Algonquin Nana Bozo believe that the earth is created by the Nana Bozo. When he finished his task of creation, he traveled to the north and settled there. He built large fires of which the northern lights were the reflections to make his people believe that he still thought of them. When this God, the Nana Bozo, created this earth, he traveled to the north and settled there. When he settled there, he wanted his people to believe him that he is alive. And this Nana Bozo wants his people to think that he is still alive, and he is thinking for his people on the earth still. Such kind of beliefs were there among the Algonquin myth people. According to then, the warlike Vikings of Scandinavia and the Highland claws of Scotland thought the lights mean that a huge battle was taking place somewhere in the world. Such kind of thoughts and such kind of beliefs were there in such Vikings of Scandinavia and the Highland claws of Scotland. In Scandinavia, they are called the herring plus because the flickering lights resemble a school of swimming by. In Scandinavia, they are called the herring plus. Herring plus means the bunch, the lump of fires going and traveling just like a wave. Just like a wave, when a school of fish moves in the sea or in the water, then it just looks like a flashing, a very flickering light traveling up and down, waving. Finns call them foxfires, relating the area of color to the burning tales of folklore, foxes made of fire. Finns, you know, Finns means the people of person from Finland. Finland. If we say India, it is known it is the name of a country. An Indian means a people of a person of India. Just like this, Finland, the Finlanders, people who live in Finland. Such kind of Finland people call them foxfires. Foxfires, that is relating the area of color of to the burning tales of folklore foxes made of fire. They thought that fox are made of fire, they have fire tails, and when the fox waves its tails and it emits lights, such kind of lights are coming towards the people of Finland. This is their belief in the case of this Aurora Borealis or northern lights. After just like this, very varieties, different kinds of people, Eskimos, Finlanders, and the other legends and the myths believe in different ways about the coming of the northern lights or the Aurora Borealis. But after a long time, some scientific explanations have come out. Let us see the scientific explanations. So much for the mysteries connected with Aurora Borealis or the northern lights. Science has today explained this mystery on the poles. Not only on the North Pole, but it also to the South Pole. The sun is according to the scientific explanation, the sun is a huge nuclear reactor. It is continually emitting highly charged particles containing most positive ions into space due to the nuclear process that is going on it. That is going on the sun. This is a huge nuclear reactor, and it emits highly charged particles, that is mostly positive ions. You know, ions are the charged particles. I would like to explain you to a little extent, but time limit has prohibited me. Ions into space due to nuclear process. What kind of nuclear process that is going on the sun? These particles are scattered at high speed. How high? 1 to 86 million miles per hour. As I told you earlier, the speed of the solar particles is about 1.8 million miles per hour. So high, 1.8 million miles per hour. Density of the particles is 16 into 10 to the power 6. You know. And it takes about 4 days for these particles to travel the 93 million miles from the sun to the earth. The distance between the sun and the earth is 93 million miles. To reach the light from the sun to the earth, it takes 4 days. 4 into 24 hours. You know, this 4 days is consumed to reach by the particles from the sun to the earth at the speed of 1.8 million miles per hour. That is, the light particles are traveling in the so high speed. Then the flow of these ions is called the solar wind. Such kind of moving and the traveling of the solar particles is known as solar wind. When
the particles that make up this wind near the earth, they tend to be funneled towards the Earth's two poles by the Earth's magnetic field. As we know that the Earth is itself a huge magnet. When these lights approaches the surface of the Earth to move from the sun to the Earth, the particles make such kind of designs, shapes of a funnel on both the North Pole and the South Pole. My dear students, today let's stop here. In the next class, we will conclude, we will finish this lesson. For today, let's stop here with my heartiest thanks and the best wishes. Thank you.